So, back home or Vizag?
Vizag!
You are already crying. I want to go fast.
वो ऐसे कैमरा के लिए बोल रहा है.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 Nimbus we want. I have to crush the lemons under the tires. Hey, what are you doing on my bike? Okay, first vehicle done. Just take a quick round because they say you should not park the car after doing all this quick round and then park it. Then we'll do the i20, then the S1000RR or a new bike, the Rage, and then the beautiful, very important Ntorq.
मेरे ऊपर ही I have lime juice. One more round.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. What's up, guys? कैसे हो? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. Just took a nice to cry. Miss Actress, you were the expression queen. You know that, Naishu? When you were small, you were called the expression queen because you would give so many expressions, fake expressions. Look at this. You can become an actor. I thought she was really crying day before yesterday when you were acting like this. Do it again. Sure. Anyway, today is going to be very, very different because we are actually going
to a road trip.
Road trip. Finally, we're able to do it after
For the first time.
in our lives with Naishu. Never did this before, right? Are you excited? Do you know what is a road trip? Okay, these days she's seeing all these videos of road trips. Who is your favorite YouTuber?
Papa.
Huh, really? That's so cool. Anyways, we are going for this quick road trip. Actually, we are going towards Vijayawada. There's a place called Vijayawada, which is 300 kilometers from here, 290 or something. But before that, there is Ntorq. You can't go. You have to go in the BMW X4 first time after. I mean, it's been almost 4 years since we got the car, and finally now we are doing a road trip with the family. I did a road trip before. First of all, let me stop exposing.
Why are you showing your tama?
That's why I'm closing it. Okay, wait. This is Naisha singing, dancing, doing all these things, and also acting, overacting. Okay, enough. Abhi overacting mat kar. Okay, the thing is, plan is to go towards 7. Whenever we ride towards Vijayawada, we go to this place in Suryapet called 7. I really like the food there, and it's not about 1 minute. It's not about the food, but it's about the trip. The roads are good. I hope today, because it's a festive season, I hope there is not too much of traffic, especially near the toll gates. Bikes hai to fine hai, but when you go in a car, you have to go through toll gates, right? Which reminds me that I don't have a fast tag. I have a fast tag, but because I don't take the BMW on the highways, it's kind of expired. Maybe today itself I'll get a new one on the highway. I think I can find it. This is proper preparation going on for the road trip. Pooja's also.
First time we both went.
Me and Pooja actually went for the road trip before when she was pregnant with Naishu.
The keys kahan hai?
Yeah. So that time Naishu was in mama's stomach, you know.
Yeah.
I think you were like 7 months.
5 months.
5 months pregnant. We had to travel from Hyderabad to Bengaluru in our Varna that time. And literally after that, now we are traveling again in the car, a proper road trip from Hyderabad to not much far. It's like I think 170-180 kilometers from here. So that's going to take us 2 hours max at the max. Let's see. Come on, you need more strength. Pull it. Nice. You are pulling it down. You have to pull it up. Okay, that is the place we are going to. 7 Midway Plaza. This is the place we usually we go to when we go on road trips on the bike. Lot of times when we go towards Vijayawada or Vizag, this is like a midpoint between Hyderabad and Vijayawada, Suryapet. I know if you people are from Hyderabad, you people know this place. This is like, I think we are doing a small test trip. If this works out, then maybe we'll extend this trip to bigger trips
It's
later.
more about Naisha because we can go. We've done before.
Yeah, I don't know if Naisha will be fine with this. We'll check.
see.
Today is that test.
Check.
Check. Right now it's showing 2 hours 28 minutes to the location, 173 kilometers. Are you excited
Yeah.
for a road trip after a
Something
long
different.
time?
It's not exactly a road trip. It's more like a long drive, I think.
It's a long drive.
Yeah. It's not
So
really a
170
road
kilometers.
trip.
170 kilometers is like for me.
Arctic Ocean.
Okay, right now once again I'm utilizing this particular camera, the Insta Ace Pro 2. I actually used it on my BMW bike for motovlogging, but this is the first time I'm using this particular setup so that I can be hands-free because we're going long. You know, this is more comfortable. You can say do whatever you want. You can just drive the car and not concentrate on vlogging. And the best part is all of us are being covered into it. Maishu, say hi. Yes. This is good actually, no traffic. This is why I chose today, you know. That's why I know everyone has gone out.
Sunday.
People are
evening
chilling
you
at
see.
home. So full traffic is very less. In the city, especially this junction, there's a ORR junction, right? We go towards ORR. And you can see that there's no traffic at all. Otherwise, this junction, at least half a kilometer jam you'll have. We don't have FASTag activated, so we'll have to take the chitti. FASTag available here. We should have taken.
Stopped it.
Next. Actually, I have a FASTag. 2 I have in this. None of them are working. One got blacklisted. We didn't do the KYV. After that, it's been very long. I think that's why they deactivated it.
Papa, it looks like we're going to airport, right?
Yeah, it looks like we're going to the airport, but we are not.
Yeah. Bengaluru, that side. Vasi stays.
Perfect sunny weather. Car is showing 31 degrees. Little on the hotter side. I wish it was like 29 or something. That season is also going to come soon. Is when we'll be
We
actually.
are having apple.
Green apple.
This is like actual picnic.
No, it's not a picnic. It's a car picnic.
Anshu, are you enjoying the experience as of now?
Yeah.
So plan is to go in December somewhere, like a longer trip than this. Not too long, but it is there on the cards. Let's
But
see
you
if it's.
have to
Next time,
take
every
me.
weekend we'll go.
We'll have to plan. Let's see if we are doing that in December or
use this
not.
car.
We'll utilize this car more. There's no traffic at all. Just put it on cruise control and relax and eat a jamakai.
Naishu, it's not jamakai. It's
Huh?
green apple.
Oh, green apple anta. Exactly 1 hour into the journey. How do you guys feel? Naishu, are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Good? Are you
Why
like
are
excited?
you ulta?
You don't worry about that. I have to flip it later. But yeah, 17 kilometers per liter we're getting in the BMW. This is too much. Even in my S1000, I don't get that much. Being a 260 HP car, 650 Nm torque, I keep repeating this in the last 4 years. But every time I see it, it feels so good. On the highway with 3 people with the AC on, such a big monster of a car, and we're still getting 17 kilometers per liter. Feels good. 98 kilometers left to the place we're going to, 7. We are exactly, I think, middle now. And I was actually telling Pooja, how about we drive off like this till Vizag?
कपड़ों के बिना.
कपड़ों के बिना उधर कपड़ा मिल जाता if you want. But actually we'll plan that later. However, Naishu, if you enjoy like this more, no, then we can do longer trips.
This weekend
What do you
we
say?
can go Friday निकल सकते.
Today is a test. If you like it, we'll do it more. You can take a nap also if you want. That's what kids do, you know, road trips. They take a nap, they get up, they have snacks, then we stop by the side, we have chai. That's what Papa does when he goes on the rides.
You sleep on your BMW bike.
I can sleep on the bike.
You sleep like this.
Oh, nostalgic, all these places.
Are
I
you
used
go
to
see
ride.
the mountains. It's okay.
How's it going? Come this side. Quickly needed a stretching break. It's been long since, we literally sat inside the house. You know, almost 2 hours we sat. I think we needed a, this is the thing about, you know, traveling in the car, you don't get down at all. Bike pe to by now I would stop for at least 3 times minimum. Chalo, get down, stretch, and then we'll go. We're almost reaching. Just around 30 minutes from here. 5249. So what happened is actually we stopped at the previous toll gate. They charged us almost 150 rupees. Actually it was 75 rupees.
We paid
So double the charge if you don't have the FASTag. And there's no hybrid like you have on the ORR. Right now actually I wanted HDFC or ICICI because those are the banks that we use. That is the old one that I need to remove. Okay, we got the FASTag. Hopefully it should work. He said it's activated already. We
If
don't
it
know.
doesn't work, I'll run back and I'll get it.
Return पूजा जाके अपना कानपुरी हिंदी में
No
give गाली.
Kanpuri, Hyderabad.
Yay! It worked.
Chalo, I was ready to go back and punch him.
Feeling hungry.
Started.
Yeah,
Night show
okay.
started already.
Chal, we're reaching.
We're
in
reaching.
like 10
Exact
minutes.
10 minutes. And the roads were good. All empty. अच्छे से. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I mean, there's no having
It's not
fun
about
in a
fun
car.
Here. It's just
It's a
about
different
something
experience.
different after a long time.
Starbucks.
Okay, we reached finally. We made it. Finally.
We were going to like die.
Because
We made it.
we're not going too long, so this feels like.
No, I think for starters, this is only fine. Naisha is already irritated.
Take my water bottle.
Yeah, please take your water bottle.
First update I have to give is we got 16 kilometers per liter. Feels so good. Hyderabad till here, I think it's around 180 kilometers, and pura 180 kilometers I got 16 kilometers per liter. That's crazy good. Now let's go do some paid puja. Our nostalgic 7. Okay, we are here in 7. Unfortunately, there are timings for food. Like actually dosa, idli, all that is very good. I love the steam dosa here. Unfortunately, there is timing. Today, actually, till 3:30 you have that. I don't know why today it's not available. I think a lot of people are traveling towards Vijayawada. It is like kind of full, and we had to wait. Like literally highway pe waiting ante mazak gaadu. So when you give quality and taste and all that, this is the kind of response you get. Almost 15 to 20 minutes we had to wait. Got in, but we are eating the typical highway food, which is tandoori roti and butter chicken.
Long
This is something you have to count for. This is made of jaggery.
I've eaten before. Bellam jalebi.
Yeah, this is nice. They give this like complimentary.
That's why it's nice.
So literally I was eating the red. Where is our jalebi? But like look at Naishu. She's eating gulab jamun and jalebi. That's too much of sweet, Naishu. Hey, who eats KFC on a road trip?
All children. Most children.
Actually, you know what? It is going to take 2 hours for us to go, so it's better
sleep.
you sleep, okay?
You eat.
No.
So 2 hours 30 minutes from here, but actually while coming it didn't take 2 hours 30 minutes.
It did take that much time.
2 hours 30 minutes time. I think around close to 2 hours. 1 hour 50 minutes something it
2 hours
took.
aram se hua.
No, that is because we stopped for FASTag, all that.
Yeah.
2-3 places we had to stop because of the toll gate. Back home or Vizag?
Vizag.
You are already crying. I want to go fast.
वो ऐसे कैमरा के लिए बोलिए अंदर कुछ और है
It
दिल
will
में।
take another 8 to 9 hours from here.
इसके
Are you
दिल
okay
में
for
कुछ
that?
और है इसकी टंग में कुछ और है।
Okay, Anta.
खुद इस पीछे
No, what are you doing? Sit properly and eat. Are you ready for it?
No, I'm not because I didn't get my stuff.
That we can
Otherwise,
buy.
I'll be ready. You should give me some hint. I would have
Hint
packed.
is this we will not come. That's why I did not give hint.
Tomorrow let's go to Goa.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, better please.
तेरे को school है.
I'm always ready for Goa.
Let's go tomorrow.
You have school on
No,
Monday.
you have school from Monday.
Sunday we'll come back in the morning.
What are you thinking? One day you
For
can't
one day
go.
you want to spend so much on the ticket. We're not going to go to Goa.
You chuchap eat
You
your
want to
KFC
eat
chicken.
Camera, you want to
Chhi.
eat?
So let's go. Enjoying? Will you do it again?
Coffee. Yup.
Got some filter coffee. I think another. We give updates like this, whenever I travel. We're having coffee. We had breakfast. Another 81 kilometers left. 1 hour. 1 or 20 minutes left. Then Pooja will call me. Where are you? We are on the way coming in. But yeah, it was nice. By the time we reach, it'll be 6 o'clock in the evening. Perfect day.
It was a good change.
Very different change. We like doing this. I think we'll do this often. At least 2 weeks mein ek bar. We have
Don't do
to
it too often, then it'll get boring.
monthly once at least or twice at least. And it's
Once.
winter. You have to travel actually. No rain, no sun. Coffee is nice actually. Malnad filter coffee. Around 80 kilometers from Kondapur via ORR.
I thought बहुत शक्कर होगा, but it's good.
Yeah, we told him put less sugar
We don't
and
like sugar so much in our tea.
less sugar is also little sugary for me. But
Yeah.
chalega.
We have black coffee, so obviously this is like, but it's okay sometimes.
Hamara Potti is sleeping.
She's done for the day.
Potti is done for the day. She was actually good. She was just bored, you know. For a long time she can't set kids. After like half an hour, 45 minutes, she's slowly getting bored. But she understands that she has to stay, nothing doing.
She left her glasses there.
She's wearing theirs and sleeping. Cutest way to sleep. I see she's wearing glares.
Because it was sunny that time.
Chalo, last, I think no more breaks. Directly home.
Yes. Checking my buttons.
Okay, we are on the ORR. Actually, I thought I'll directly go home and I'll end the vlog there. But Pooja just reminded me of something very interesting. You have to listen to this. Batao tera story.
It's not interesting. I think when we were dating,
This was like, I think 12, 13, 14 years back maybe.
yeah, when we were dating.
When Pooja was my HR.
So he picked me up from home one day. It was one of our Saturday nights where we used to go out. He started from Mankajgiri, picked me up. I used to stay in Marapalli. Picked me up from there, and we just ended up driving, and we didn't realize we came to Patancheru.
On the ORR actually. I was in the Accent, remember?
Yeah.
Our beloved car, Hyundai Accent. Full manual transmission.
And suddenly I was like, where are we?
If you don't take the right exit, we wanted to come to Gachibowli that time, 14 years back.
I don't think we had a destination. We were just driving, and
We thought
suddenly we
we'll
saw
just-
the big board Patancheru, and I was like, what?
And
My dad
Patanch-
used to come here for work.
No, that was that time. I'm talking 14 years back. Patancheru was nothing, right? We don't
Yeah.
even know where it exists. Now it is very close. I mean, I understand you people will not get it, but that time, 14 years back, when we did that and we were out of nowhere, it was like, how did this come? So that's like a good memory that's etched into our heads.
Yeah, because we're again driving and we're alone after a long time. When you have a child, it's first always about the child, right?
Yeah, wait, whatever you want to do, like today also, when I planned this, I was like thinking first about Naisha. Will she be able to do it? It's not our concern, like it's not about me or Pooja. It's about will Naisha be able to do this? And then you think about yourself.
Yeah.
Priorities change when you have a kid, Amma.
I think most parents will agree.
Yeah, of course.